everyone, and welcome to my beautiful Halloween. In this video, we are traveling into the dark depths of a cave to discover a water fairy. I created this very ethereal water fairy look. It's magical with pops of blues and glistening glitters. This video is in collab with a very talented artist named Saloni. She created a beautiful dark fairy look. It's so mesmerizing, and she's in the middle of her 31 Days of Halloween series, so check out her amazing creations and show her some love. I'll have her video linked down below for you guys. Now if you are ready, let's transform into a water fairy. To start off, you want to make sure to block out your brows for this look. I'm going to be priming my skin with a hydrating primer, and I'm also going to bring that down the neck and to the chest. Using a medium coverage foundation, I'm going to be airbrushing my foundation on. I'm also bringing that down the neck and to the center of the chest. Using a white concealer, I'm going to add coverage and brightness under my eyes. Here I'm going to be baking with a brightening translucent powder. I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes and then dust the powder away. Using a bright blue eyeshadow, I'm going to start contouring the cheeks up into the temple areas. With a darker blue eyeshadow, I'm going to deepen up the contour. With a light blue shadow, I'm going to create two arcs at the front of the brow area. Then using a white face powder, I'm going to blend out some of that color. With a brown eyeshadow, I'm going to start out the eye look by blending into my crease, then layering a yellow eyeshadow on top. I also blended down into the lower lash line. With the same yellow, I'm going to blend into the brow bone area. Picking up a blue eyeshadow, I'm going to start blending into the outer corner, winging outwards, then blending onto that lower lash line. With a large brush, I'm going to pick up some more of that color and blend into the forehead area. Here I'm taking a golden highlighter and I'm applying that over the brow bone and into the forehead. I also applied some of that into the inner corners of my eyes. Picking up a foiled blue eyeshadow, I'm going to blend onto the lid. Then smoking out that lower lash line. With a yellow cream color, I'm going to blend onto the tops of the cheeks, then adding a golden highlight over top and onto the high points of the face. I'm going to first apply a face and body adhesive and then add gold leaf over the brows. With an ocean blue eyeshadow, I'm going to start creating water stains under my eyes, where makeup would normally start to smudge if you were underwater. Picking up a light blue eyeshadow, I'm going to blend into the forehead area downwards. Then lining my waterline with a dark blue eyeliner. I'm going to be spritzing my face with the dewy mist and then tapping in gold glitter underneath my eyes and into the area where I placed the gold leaf. Now I'm popping on some mascara and feather lashes. I'm using a black shadow to deepen and smoke out the eyes. With an icy loose highlighting powder, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the face. Now fill in your lips with a metallic blue liquid lipstick. Now I'm going over the lips with a foiled blue lip topper. Here I'm using a shimmery bronzer to warm up the skin a little bit. Using black airbrush paint, I'm going to start at the neck and work down the shoulders and arms. Then layering in a beautiful ocean blue airbrush paint, more so on the right side of my arm and chest. With white airbrush paint, I'm going to create a water reflection on the shoulders and also on my face. The easiest way to do this is to imagine you're drawing a wavy letter X shape. I'm spritzing the chest with some primer mist and then adding iridescent glitter over top. Also repeating that step on my face. Add some golden highlight to the center of the lips for extra shine. Then top off the look with a long-lasting setting spray to lock everything in. I also popped on a black wig with bangs, a crown, and some fairy wings. You can also add in contacts, and here I'm wearing some gray ones. This is the final Water Fairy Halloween makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed it, be sure you like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you all for tuning in to my beautiful Halloween, and I'll see you next time.